Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is a iPhone 16e. First thing we want to do is put these in a pairing mode, okay? So the side with all the buttons is the right ear cup here. You have all the buttons here. Let me first turn these on, okay? So I'm gonna turn them on. Let me press and hold that power button. And then when it turns on, I'll know if it's in pairing mode. It'll say it's in pairing mode, and also you'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here on the bottom is blinking blue, 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 okay? When I turned them on, the headphone said connected, and this light here, it's not a blinking blue light, so I'm connected to a different device. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode, okay? So you can see the power button here, the headphones are on. I'm gonna tap that power button twice. 1, 2. Now it says pairing, and now I get a blue blinking light. Can you see that? The blue blinking light there on the bottom. So we're in pairing mode now. So hurry up and shoot over to iPhone. We're going to go to settings, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to scroll down. Now under other devices, that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, about 30 feet Bluetooth range. It did find it. I mean, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue. There's the JBL Tunes. Let's tap that right there. Give it 1 second to connect, and voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, you couldn't put it into pairing mode, or you had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.